I'm gonna give you 35 free trading videos. And I know you've heard that before. Free course, whatever. But here's the difference. Most free content teaches you the technicals, the entry models, the fair value gaps, the order blocks, and that stuff matters. But it's literally the least important part of becoming a profitable trader. Nobody teaches you the other 3 layers. This futures mentorship does. This is the trader pyramid. 4 layers, and every profitable trader has all 4. Layer 1 is the technicals, entry models, kill zones, fair value gaps. Most traders spend 90% of their time there because it's the most sexy thing to focus on. But look at how small that layer is. Layer 2 is data building, your journal, your backtest, the thing that actually proves your edge in the market. Most traders skip this completely, but it is the single biggest factor in getting confidence in your trading. Layer 3 is the trade plan, the baseline for consistency with the rules that will stop you from overtrading, revenge trading, just doing stupid stuff when you're emotional. Layer 4, the base of the pyramid, the biggest layer, psychology. I can give you the best trade plan, the best data, and the best entry model in the world. But if you just feel like blowing your account on a random New York Open, nothing is gonna save you. And this is the reason why you're losing money right now. Not your entry model, this. And here's the crazy part. 99% of trading courses spend 0 time on the bottom 3 layers. They just sell more technicals. And that is also why 99% of traders are still losing money. So here's what's inside. Phase 1, 15 episodes about technicals. Every entry model I actually use, the silver bullet, the SMT, and more. All 5 minutes each. Everything stripped down to the core you actually need to understand. Phase 2 is the data building. How to journal, how to backtest, how to find your actual edge without spending hundreds of hours in some backtest session. And this is the stuff nobody talks about because it's not sexy. It's boring. But it is what separates the traders that make money from the traders who don't. Phase 3, trade plan. The exact framework I run before every session. What to look for, what to avoid, and how to stay consistent when the market is doing everything it can to make you emotional. And phase 4, psychology. The patterns that are killing your trading right now. Why you blow accounts after winning weeks. Why you exit trades too early. And why you keep repeating the same mistakes over and over again. 35 videos, the complete system for absolutely free. And every episode comes with an accompanied PDF. The slides, the frameworks, everything covered in that episode. The links to that are in the description and inside the Discord. And real quick, before we actually begin, one thing that changed everything for me was that you don't need a high win rate to become profitable. If you risk 100 to make 200, want to risk to reward, you only need 4 out of 10 trades to be a winner to be profitable. And I passed challenges on multiple 7 figures in funding within weeks with just 1 setup and 1 kill zone. Over and over. Not because it was so cool, but because I had all 4 layers of the pyramid working together. If you've been trading for months or years and you're still not consistent, it is not because you don't know enough technicals. It's because you're missing the other 3 layers. This series builds all 4 in the right order. And there's no course to buy at the end. There's no upsell, just the system, all here on YouTube for free. Episode 1 is live right now. Subscribe so you don't miss the rest. No time to waste. Let's get into episode 1.